Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if Windows settings are not responding or not opening. I'll show you the step-by-step process how to fix it. So the first step is to run the Windows Update and System Maintenance Troubleshooter. For that I will just go in the run, type run, open this run, and I will just copy this command over here to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So first I will run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Just copy paste the command over here and click OK. And after that I will click next, and it will automatically detect problems. If there is a problem, it will automatically fix it. You just need to wait. So we are done. There is no problem identified. So I will click close. So the second step is that I will run the system maintenance troubleshooter. So for that, I will just copy and paste the command over here in the run. Just paste it and click OK. After that, I will click next, and it will automatically detect problems. Issue might be found troubleshooting with administrator permissions. Try troubleshooting as an administrator. It will automatically detect problems. Just wait. Troubleshooting has completed. There is no problem. Click close. So this is the first method. The second method is that I need to restart the Windows Explorer. For that, I will have to go to the task manager. So search task manager, and then open the task manager and search Windows Explorer, and just restart Windows Explorer. Just restart it. We are done. The restart has been completed. Now I will click close. The third method that you can try is that you can run system file checker and DISM command. So first I will open the command prompt. I will open the command prompt as administrator, run as administrator. Click yes, and I will just quickly copy and paste the command, this command. So this command is going to repair all the corrupt files that are there in my system. So I will press enter. So this will take some time to complete. You just need to wait. So we are done with this command. Now I will run the second command. Just copy and paste the command over here, and I will press enter. So now after taking some time, the operation is successful. Now what I need to do, I need to close the command prompt and I need to restart my system. So I will see you after the restart. So the system has been restarted. If again the problem is not solved, what you need to do is you need to try this method. You need to create a new user account. For that, you will be running these two commands. So first, I will open the command prompt again, and I will run as administrator. Click yes. And after that, I need to run these commands. So first, I will run the command, this command. Um, SQ is the name of user. You can have any other name as well if you want. So now I will press enter. So the command completed successfully. Now I will run this command. And after that, so the command completed successfully. Now I'm going to restart my computer, and I will log in using this username SQ. I hope the problem will be solved after trying out all these methods. So at the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.